Alright, go.
If your Keurig coffee pot reads prime and you've tried all the other methods on YouTube that you've seen to shake the water, press down on the little thing inside where the blue light's blinking, and you pressed under here where the spring is, that's most likely what you're going to have to do, which I had to do, is take these 3 screws out with a long screwdriver, and you unscrew these 3, and this whole little black thing pops right out. The screen is visible from both ends. Our screen was very foggy. As you rub on it on the opposite side with some vinegar, we just used regular distilled vinegar, white vinegar, and scrubbed it with a toothbrush so that it doesn't poke a hole in the screen. And then the screen, as you can see, is now very clean, like new. And if you look into the light, you can now see through the screen to where before it was very cloudy. You put the thing back on there, you drop the 3 screws back in. You can actually put the screws in the thing as you put it down in there, and they'll just fall right in place because there's only one way it can go in. And now that I've tightened it, I'm going to refill it with water. And I really don't want to use this water because it says distilled water, but they've been using their tap water, which is supposed to be clean, but evidently it wasn't clean enough. Put this back on. And yeah, for now we'll use this one time. It shouldn't hurt it to use it one time, but I don't think, you know what, let's try the refrigerator water. I'm going to fill it with just a little bit of water to make sure it's working, and then she's going to have to get some bottled water, and then that bottled water will be clean. See, because it says to use sterile water, not faucet water. And evidently the water's not filtered enough because it clogged in no time. We've only had this for what, 2 months? Maybe about 2 months. So brand new coffee pot. Already gave her the prime. It would pour 1 cup of coffee and then it wouldn't suck any more water down through the reservoir into the pot. So now we're going to see if it sucks the water down and if it works a lot faster, because it was taking a while for it to even heat up. So enough water in there, and then we can pour some more in with a cup. We don't need to stand here with this long. As long as we got enough to get it working. All right, that's enough to get it going. Put the lid back on there, and I'll wipe it down in a minute. But first, I just want to get it going to see if it's going to work. Okay. The blue light's no longer blinking. That's a good sign. And we're just going to run regular hot water, and then we're going to see if that water level goes down. If that doesn't solve the problem, then we're really stumped. And I probably should have put water in the bottom of that little hole first. But look, the water's already going down. That tells me it's working. See the water going down? I think we solved the problem. Oh, it's already brewing. Didn't even take, what, 20 seconds? Earlier, we were sitting here for a minute and a half, 2 minutes waiting on it. So we're going to see if the light comes back on. If the light doesn't come back on after this brew, which it also is brewing almost a full cup, before it was only brewing that much on the same level. So now I know it's working. I hate to waste y'all's time with this video, but we want to make sure the blue light doesn't come on. And holy crap, I think I got more water in here than I thought it was going to do. Woo! Just in time. Boy. Almost topped it off there, didn't we? Okay, we're good. Let me pour this out. Well, this kitchen counter's a mess. Well, she just had a huge dinner, so I'll make an excuse for her. Now let's try another cup and let's see what happens. Look, it's already ready to brew. The word prime didn't come back up. And the light's not blinking down here. Now let's see if the water level goes down. We'll pretend we put another pot in there, or another cup of coffee. And now it's brewing. Let's see. Oh, there goes the water level again. Problem solved. All you had to do was take the filter out and clean it. So that means use distilled, very clean, sterile water. Bottled water is the best. And look at that, already cooking. Thank you for your time. I hope this video comes in handy. Enjoy your Keurigs. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.
Bye.